Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm bare because we're doing a get ready with me. I just thought this would be a little bit of fun. It's been a long time since I've done a get ready with me. Showing you guys some products I'm loving and some products that maybe I haven't used in a little while. So yeah, if you are interested in watching a little get ready with me, then just keep watching this video. Alright, so first I'm going to do my brows like I normally do. We're using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I really need to like trim my brows. And my brows are a fairly quick process anymore. So then for brow gel, I'm going to be using the NYX The Brow Glue. I haven't used this in like a hot minute, but I'm excited to use it again. I've been mostly using brow soaps lately. Ugh. I think mine might be going bad. So that is my brows done. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing. Like, the weather can't decide what it's doing. The sun's out and then it's not. It just, I don't know. So first we're going to prime. I'm using the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. I have only used this a few times and I'm a little nervous. Like, I liked it, but it's really tacky, so I'm a little nervous to use it. Yeah, it gets kind of hard to blend in. Like, it's super tacky. And I've never used it with the foundation that I'm using today, so that makes me a little nervous, but we are hoping for the best. The foundation I'm using today is the Rare Beauty foundation. Oh, I cannot remember what it's called. It doesn't say on it what it's called. It's like Skin Perfecting or something like that. I have mine in the shade 130N. I really probably did not need that much, but that's okay. I am so like out of the makeup game right now. It's just not even funny. I hardly ever do my makeup. I hardly ever watch makeup videos. I actually watched 2 this morning, which is kind of why I'm feeling inspired to make a makeup video. I watched some Sophie Louise and some Soph Does Life, and now I'm just kind of feeling like doing some makeup. Gosh, I love the coverage on this foundation. It's amazing, and so far it's looking really good over that primer. I was a little worried about the combination, but it looks fabulous. Like, look at that coverage. I really need to wear this foundation more often. While I was watching Soph's video of the Rare Beauty, her testing Rare Beauty, it made me realize that Rare Beauty has launched more things that I didn't know about because I'm just not quite in the makeup world like I was. And so I really need to test some more of that out. So maybe I need to do like a Sephora haul and get some Merit Beauty stuff and get some Rare Beauty stuff. And I was also considering testing out KVD Vegan Beauty because I have only tried a couple things and it was from when like Kat Von D was part of the brand, and I'm interested to try that stuff out. So if there's anything that you would want to see, like another Rare Beauty haul, or would you rather see like a dedicated KVD testing video, like please let me know because I need to know these things. My concealer, almost as always, is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is my favorite concealer of all time. I rarely ever use any other concealers. I was actually thinking while I was getting my makeup out to do this video that I really need to just do a declutter and get rid of stuff that I just genuinely don't use, since I've like, I don't know, since I'm doing my makeup less, I'm filming less, I just need to get rid of stuff. Alright, so we're going pretty creamy on the products today. I'm now going to take my bronzer, which is a cream bronzer. It is the Refi Cream Bronzer. I have mine in the shade Sand. As you guys can probably tell, this is very well loved. I absolutely adore this bronzer, and it's just everything to me. I know it seems a little intense right now, but if you guys have never seen me apply this, you just have to trust the process. It will look fabulous once I lay down powder. I just love, love, love that bronzer. Okay, anyway, moving on to blush. I'm using the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush, that's what this is called, in the shade Joy. I normally just take it and like wipe it off and then do like 2 dots and then one little one right on my nose, and we start with that. Now, since I have my sponge, sometimes I don't always have a sponge to do my makeup because I use a brush for foundation sometimes. So since I have my sponge, I'm going to take my sponge and just blend that in. Alright, I think we're looking good. Now I'm going to powder before I do the highlighter. The highlighter is cream, but like, I'm not going to powder over my highlighter. For powder, I'm taking the Laura Mercier, right? Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Is it Mercier or Mercier? I probably change it every time I say it. Now taking my big powder brush, and I'm just going to dip it in there, tap it off, and then powder my whole face. I just realized, like, I didn't start at, like, a TikTok or anything before this. Oh, well. I guess this makeup won't make it to TikTok. Now, for highlighter, I'm going with the Merit Beauty Highlighting Balm. I have mine in Kava. I really, really enjoyed this the last time I used it. I really like it. It's very natural, but I do have to take it on a brush, which luckily works. Take it on a brush in my inner corners. Now, setting spray. So for setting spray, we're going to use the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from e.l.f. Probably should mention what brand it is. Tap it into my skin. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to take the KVD Tattoo Liner. I am doing lashes today just because I originally had a completely different plan for my makeup, and then I decided against it just because I didn't like the outfit I had planned with it. I think for mascara, I'm just going to go with the Ilia mascara. It really doesn't matter that much since I'm going to be wearing lashes, but I'd still rather have one than not. Exciting news, less of a downer. I woke up this morning with 800 subscribers, just a day after posting my Amazon purchase reviews video, so thank you guys so much. I'm shocked. I'm shocked that there's 800 people that want to be subscribed to my channel. I don't know, I mean, I started this channel with every intention of having it for a job, and now I'm unsure about that sometimes, but it's really nice to know that people enjoy my content enough to subscribe. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the lipstick because I always do like my lashes last, so I'm gonna start on lipstick. Today we're taking the Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte Liquid Lipstick in Seeing Red. I know you guys have seen this on my channel a few times. I was just kind of feeling a red lip. I don't know why, just kind of was. Oh gosh, I just left my bronzer sitting on the floor. Whoops. Now for lashes, my lips aren't done, but I have to wait for it to dry so I can do a second coat once it dries. For lashes, I'm taking the Kiss My Lash But Better, and these are in Blessed. Normally I have So Real, but today we're taking Blessed. Gosh, I love these My Lash But Better. They are literally everything. Like, they are the most natural, lightweight, comfortable feeling lashes in the world. Now we are going to be doing a little bit of accessorizing. I haven't worn a fake nose ring in like forever, but today I'm in the mood. Alright, my hair is done, my makeup's done, so I think the video is now done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think my makeup turned out really well, and I hope this was just like a fun little relaxing video for you guys to watch, maybe while you're doing your makeup or while you're getting around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. Let's get to 900 as fast as possible. That would be great. And yeah, I try and post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!